So I'm replacing the float valve. You can see here I have taken it out. I have taken it out of the inside of the toilet after I unscrewed the water connector that goes to my bidet seat, and then also took off this plastic nut. I was able to remove the float valve. Originally I had used a turkey baster. You can see it there. I had used the turkey baster to get the extra water out so that I didn't have a whole lot of water dripping out of the toilet. And now I'm going to replace the new float valve into the tank. So the new plastic nut is on. The unit is in place, and now I'll reattach the water supply and then probably replace the flapper valve also, and we'll see how it works. Alright, everything is screwed back on. We have the toilet filling back up. You can see here. And we'll see where the water stopped, and then we'll try flushing it one more time.